Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss some entrance level question of gamma function. So here first question is gamma of n plus half is equals to option A is n factorial by 2 root over pi. Option B is 2 n factorial by n factorial 2 to the power n into root pi. Option C is 2n factorial divided by n factorial 2 to the power 2n root pi. And option D is n factorial by 2 to the power n into root over pi. And this comes on GATE 2013. Okay. So here the function is gamma of n plus half. So if we put n is equals to 0, then n plus half is equals to gamma of n plus half is equals to gamma of half, and we know gamma of half is equals to root pi. Actually, earlier lecture 1, we discussed this all property. Okay, this is the property of gamma function. So when n is equals to 1, then this gamma of n plus half is equals to gamma of 3 by 2. Here this comes 1 by 2 root pi. Actually we apply gamma of n plus 1 is equals to n gamma n, and gamma of half is equals to root over pi. Okay, and when n is equals to 2, then gamma of n plus half is equals to gamma of 5 by 2. This will be 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi. Okay, now here we have these three conditions. Okay, now we verify all option which is correct. Okay, so now verifying option A, verifying option option A is n factorial by 2 into root pi, n factorial by 2 into root pi. So if we put n is equals to 0, then it comes 0 factorial by 2 root pi. This will be root over pi by 2. But here when we put n is equals to 0, it comes root pi. So option A is not correct. Option A is not true. Now we go other option, option B, verifying option B, verifying option B. Here option B is given 2n factorial, 2n factorial by n factorial 2 to the power n root pi. If we put n is equals to 0, then again we get 0 factorial 2 to the power 0 root pi. This comes 2 root pi. But when we put n is equals to 0, it comes root pi. So option B also not correct. Option B is not true. Now we go our remaining option, verifying option C. Here option C is 2n factorial, 2n factorial, n factorial 2 to the power 2n root pi, 2 to the power 2n root pi. So if we put again n is equals to 0, then it comes 0 factorial, 0 factorial 0 factorial 2 to the power 0 root pi. Actually it comes root pi. So here when n is equals to 0, it satisfies actually. Now we put when n is equals to 1, n is equals to 1, then it comes 2 factorial 1 factorial 2 to the power 2 root pi. It's come root over pi by 2. So when n is equals to 1, root over pi by 2. So also when n is equals to 1, it satisfies. Now when n is equals to 2, n is equals to 2, it's come 2n means 4 factorial. 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial 2 to the power 4 root pi. It's come 4 into 3, 4 into 3 divided 2 to the power 4 root pi. So 3 by 4 root pi. 3 by 4 root pi. So option C, so option C is true. When n is equals to 2, it satisfies actually. Okay. So option C is true. Now verifying option D. Verifying option D. So option D is here n factorial 2 to the power n into root over pi. If we put n is equals to 0, it's come 0 factorial 2 to the power 0 root pi. So actually this is root pi. When n is equals to 0, it actually satisfies. But if we put n is equals to 1, then it comes 1 factorial 2 root pi. So root over pi by 2. When n is equals to 1, it also root over pi by 2. And when n is equals to 2, it comes 2 factorial 2 to the power 2 root pi. Means 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 root pi. So when n is equals to t, it does not satisfy. So option D is not correct. Option D is not true. So only option C is correct. Okay, because here in option D it satisfy condition n is equals to 0 and n is equals to 1, but does not satisfy n is equals to 2. So option C is correct. Okay. So our next question is integral over 0 to infinity x to the power n exponentially minus x square dx is equals to here here the given option, and this comes on TIFR 2050. Okay, so uh, integration 0 to infinity x to the power 9 exponentially minus x square dx. So if we put x square is equals to z, then it comes 2x dx is equals to dz, and if we change the limit, then it comes also x z. When x is infinity, z is also infinity, x is 0, z is also 0. So 0 to infinity, and here x will be root z. So if we putting with help of this value, then x comes z to the power 9 by 2 x e to the power minus x exponentially minus z, exponentially minus z, and dx is dz by 2x. X means root z, so z to the power half. Okay, therefore integration 0 to infinity z to the power 4 e to the power minus z dz. So here from definition we have the definition e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 dx is equals to gamma of n. So here this comes, if we write this equation, z to the power 5 minus 1 e to the power minus z dz. Now we apply this definition. Okay, and it comes gamma of 5. Gamma of 5 means actually one formula we should know, gamma of n plus 1 is equals to n gamma n or n factorial. So it's come 4 factorial. Okay, 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 24 here. So option D is correct. Okay, so option D is